Welcome back, friends. My name is Anna, and this is Polish Kitchen. Here I teach you how to make Polish food. Hello, my hungry friends.
Hi.
Kitchen's closed.
Today on Kitchen's Closed, we're going to...
Szczeciński Bazar Smakoszy.
This is a lot of words.
Which translates to Szczecin Foodie Market.
Foodie Market.
And it's a place where local vendors and local small producers come together every Sunday and serve us their goodies.
I like goodies. Now, we can't eat in there, I don't think. I highly doubt it because pandemia. But we're going to see what they got. We're going to get some stuff, and maybe we'll take it back to the car and eat, or...
We'll go with the flow.
We'll figure it out.
Let's go.
Let's go. So this place, when you first see it, kind of looks sketchy.
Yeah, it's located in the area of Szczecin called Pomorzany, and that's right by the river. That's why it's called of Marina. This used to be in the 1900s, this had many, not circumstances, purposes. There used to be a theater hall in this building and a cinema. Somebody ran a restaurant out of this building. It was a dance hall. And then not until after 1900s, it kind of became a little bit more industrial. There was a cheese factory in one of the buildings at some point. So a lot of history in these walls.
Here's some pictures of it, right? Back in the day?
Yeah, these back in the day, in the 19th century. They're showing the drawings of it, and it used to be a hopping area.
Yeah, it seems like it. Now it's pretty dead.
Yeah, and at some point there was a zoo here too.
That's cool.
Yeah, and they've converted. This is a kind of a now dead. I mean, not dead anymore, but dead area. There's just people living around, but mainly probably people who worked in this at the port area, building ships, and then now it's just they've converted it into this market, and they made it serve again, and it's kind of kitschy cool. They put up these signs up on the walls and kind of make you feel welcome. And
you don't have to pull your stomach?
you have to suck your stomach in.
I'm not very good at translating yet.
You're translating that just fine. But yeah, they kind of made it kitschy cool. There's nice music playing, but you can feel the history in here, can't you? Like it is as it was or as it's been for years and years.
Yeah, I really dig the building. I love the big windows and the original factory type floors here with the paint. The paint on it was directing something. I imagine back when it was a factory, a safe area where there was a machine or something to stay away from it. I think it's great that they left it like this.
Imagine how many things that floor saw.
Yeah, right? I've understand there's a revitalization effort for the area too. I heard that a bunch of the buildings next to this were purchased for renovation into apartment complexes and businesses.
It's a nice area because on the other side of this building is the Odra River. So it's nice to be close to that area, but it's very industrial and run down, and so I'm glad they've converted this building into this cool market. And it happens every week on Sundays between 10 and 3. And these vendors come from surrounding areas. Some of them are even from a couple of hours away, and they come once a week and bring their goodies that they've produced, or like these cheeses, organic cheeses and farmer's cheese, and these are also delicious. fried pastries.
Well, you gotta have it.
These are the chruściki, or faworki we call them in my house. The thin fried pastry with some sprinkled with some what?
Powdered sugar.
Powdered sugar.
Or as they call it, puder.
Puder?
Puder.
Cukier puder.
Puder. What is this guy pouring?
He's pouring hot ginger drink. It says wine, but it's non-alcoholic.
Uh-huh.
Fancy pops, 8 zloty a piece. And some cookies.
It's a bargain.
Yeah. Ooh,
This I stared at for a
yeah,
while.
I love this stall. This is wild game.
Yep.
They had deer and sarna.
Sarna.
Deer.
Uh-huh.
Dzik is
Pig.
a pig. And different smoked kielbasa.
How did you find this? Mistletoe!
Oh, and I like this stall too. They produce paprikash,
Uh-huh.
which Szczecin is famous for. It's a mixture of fish with tomatoes and rice. And people who live in Szczecin are called paprikarze.
Yeah, they are. Yeah, they are. Did you see that tube? It was like a tube.
Yeah, it's
What
like
is that?
fish pate.
Fish paste?
Yeah, that you can put on your sandwiches. Here's paprikash.
You should switch that out with somebody's toothpaste sometime.
Yeah, yours. I got me a little snack for lunch.
What is it?
We talk about it later.
Oh, yeah.
You should stick around and watch.
I was glad for those heaters that you see. It warmed up the joint. It was cold out that day.
Cheesecakes. Even jarred cheesecakes.
Well, that's just handy for traveling.
Yeah.
That is an amazing looking cheesecake with the little thingies sticking out of it, the flowers.
Lavender?
Oh, was that lavender?
Mm-hmm.
I don't know my flowers.
Delicious coffee. Very frustrating. You can't drink
Yeah.
anything on
We've gotten coffee there before and enjoyed it as you peruse, but
as you peruse.
I can't. What'd you get me?
I got sweet bun with one with poppy seed filling and one with cheese filling.
Nom nom. Nom 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 nom. We can't drink it in here, so no. What are these things that we're seeing?
I think those are like Middle Eastern and like Hungarian, and halva is sesame. What would you call it? It's a dessert. It's a sweet kind of a paste, or
Uh-huh.
and they have dry dates and stuff. And this is your favorite
Oh,
stall.
I love pickled and oiled and olived things. I didn't notice the grilled olives in the back until now. Ugh.
We'll go back. Just for you.
Promise?
Yes.
Thank you.
Mogę pół czarne z pesto I mogę pół zielone czosnki.
Perfect Polish.
To jest trudne. Tak. Ale fajne. I'm so happy. I love olives. Super.
Oh, here's some more.
Oh, look at that bacon.
Yeah, that's jeleń is the big deer. We call it
Like an elk?
elk, yeah.
Uh-huh.
Kapusta kiszona, what's that?
That is, that's sauerkraut.
Yes.
It's Polish class.
Yeah,
today.
but then we don't have to make a lot of the stuff at home here because you can buy a lot
Yeah.
of it organic.
Ooh, they got samosas.
And then in traditional Polish way, we find Indian food.
Whatever you feel like. I want selection. Okay, so we're being a little bit naughty, but don't tell anybody. We're in the side room inside of whatever this big factory dealie is that this thing is in. It's probably a 900 square foot room with nobody in it.
They used
So-
to have tables here.
Yeah, so you could sit
when
and
this
eat.
was prior pandemic, and they had tables here. You could come here and eat and drink whatever you bought. So here's our bounties.
Here's our bounties. We have the black olives and green olives.
We have a tray of Indian fried delicious foods. Can you see?
I hope so.
We bought these sesame cookies. They are sesame seeds, and these are also pumpkin seeds and other seeds, and they're with honey, and my mouth's watering.
That's really good.
They're homemade, so they're extra good. And
Crispy and sesame seedy.
it wouldn't be a day out if we didn't get some sweet buns.
Gotta have 3 buns.
These
gotta
are
have 3 buns.
these are filled with poppy seed filling, and the other ones are cheese filling. So we'll have these in a second. And last but not least, holding.
Oh, I thought you wanted me to look in there really hard. That guy really wanted to put this in a bag for you.
Well, I asked him to.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Huh.
I have śledzie, herring, in smoked.
Oil?
No.
No.
Uh,
Butter?
no.
Water?
It's a fruit that you dry, and plum, dried plums, smoked dried plum sauce.
That's a prune then.
Prune, yes.
Once you dry it.
So I'm looking forward to
Just like
eating those
grapes, once you dry them out, are
for lunch
raisins.
today.
Lunch?
Yeah,
Okay. Okay, what are you starting with?
we're being illegal immigrants.
I'm the illegal immigrant right now. I'm not. I'm fully licensed to be in Poland.
I want half of your potatoes.
Well, then
thingy.
take half of the potato
Or a little
thingy.
bit.
It doesn't smell like potatoes. What's this called? I don't remember. It's some kind of Indian.
Don't be rude.
I'm not being rude. That's pretty good. So that's like a mint cucumber-y type thingy. And this one is a red thingy. I feed you. So pretty.
Yum. That's really
I
good.
like that one better. Hey, wait.
So that one is
I don't know. Red color. See? Red.
trying to taste it.
Taste it again.
I want to say it's like something a plummy. It doesn't. Maybe dates.
Maybe dates,
And some
maybe
other
plums,
spices.
maybe grapes, maybe
I have
cherries.
2 of these. I don't know what these are. Oh, those are chickpeas.
Chickpeas are delicious too. I think chickpeas would be better
Here,
with that
take
one.
this one.
I'm gonna try it sans sauce first. That'd be even better hot.
And some onions in there.
That is delicious. If you've never really tried Indian food, it's one of our favorite kitchens next to Mexican. For me, the flavors are amazing. Go down, find the best Indian restaurant in your place that you live, and go check that joint out.
I think I want to take the rest home and heat it up.
I do too. Yeah. So, we're not going to watch this eat anymore. But what do you give the market?
I give this market...
How many markets do you give it?
I give it 10 out of 10.
I'm going to give it... no.
No, okay,
I'm going to give it an 8 out of 10. A 7 out of 10 because I've been to Saulo Hall.
Yeah. I was just going to say, we've been to a market in Sweden, in Stockholm, before.
Here's some pictures.
Called,
Honestly, this time we'll put the pictures in.
called Saulo Hall a few years ago, and the thing was amazing.
Here's me praying in front of the meat gods. Yep.
But this one, I like it, but it's limited. But I still like it.
Our kid's off camera, so I was just flossing with her. But anyway, so this was our trip to...
Szczeciński Bazar Smakoszy.
We hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you follow us on all the various channels. We have the Tube of You, which is Polish Your Kitchen. On Instagram, at Polish Your Kitchen. We have polishyourkitchen.com where you can jump onto and find the merch. Woo! Go ahead and get you some merch. It's fantastic stuff.
And go back and watch our previous videos.
Yeah, hit the like, follow, and subscribe buttons. Ooh, big thing, big thing. My beautiful wife, her channel just hit 10,000 subscriptions. Thank you so very much for following, liking, and subscribing to us. It means a lot to us. I don't think you understand how happy you guys make us. So thank you very much. 10,000 subscriptions is a really big deal. Although we're not getting 10,000 views on all the... I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Thank you so very much. Greg, keep your head up. And what else?
Come see us again on Monday. Cook
Bye.
some Polish food with us. Do widzenia.